Hello there! Today we are doing a walking tour right here in Odaiba, Tokyo, as we pass some famous landmark here like the famous Gundam robot and the Fuji-Q TV station. So right now we are at the seaside area of the Odaiba. So right now we are at the elevated walking path of the Fuji-Q TV station here in Odaiba. Seems like there's an activity right here for, among the students. Seems like they're senior high school students. And so we are now on our way towards the Gundam robot, maybe about 500 meters from here. So we'll just continue our walking tour right now. And finally, we are now at the Gundam robot right here at the Diverse City Mall here in Odaiba, Tokyo. Seems like it's a quiet and peaceful afternoon right now. Thanks, there are only few tourists. Later in the evening, this will be packed with international tourists from different countries. So it's spring season right now here in Odaiba, but not yet in full bloom. That's the Gundam robot again. So right now we are at the Odaiba station to catch the elevated metro rail, and we're going to pass through the Rainbow Bridge right now, going to the mainland Tokyo. Actually, Odaiba is an artificial island, so mostly if you want to come here, you can just go through like a water taxi or an elevated train, or if you have some private car, since there's a bridge, and that's the Rainbow Bridge connecting Odaiba Island and Tokyo metropolitan area.